Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Node.js. Today we are going to learn about the top NPM packages, that is Async. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. Async is a powerful utility module for handling the asynchronous JavaScript in the Node.js. It provides a wide range of functions for managing control flow, handling errors, executing asynchronous tasks in series, parallel, or in waterfall fashion. Let's have a look. Okay, so first we install the this one. Let's go to the terminal. Let's do the clear. So npm I async install this module. Okay, now we are going to use this one. So here we go with async. So let's require this async. Okay, so here we go with this one. So let me clear this one. Let me remove all this. Okay, let me add the required async. Next, we have the async series function executes a list of asynchronous function in the series one after other if you are using the asynchronous series. Let's copy this and run this one. What exactly it prints? Go and check this one. So here you can see what we are doing. Async series wise, step by step, function callback, first task one, then again the callback. If it is complete, then go to the next task. Then if something goes wrong, it go to the error block. Okay, at the last it will print the results. Okay, so async series, what exactly it means? That execute a list of asynchronous functions in series one after other. Let's run node app.js file. Server is not defined. Why server is not defined? I think server is not defined. App.listen. Okay, so let's run this. And here you can see task 1, task 2. On series it is running, and the result is result 1 and the result 2. How it is run in the series. How you can see that. So here you can see at the last we are printing the results. So first one, that is log in the console log task. What the callback? That is result 1. Then we have another callback, that is result 2. At the last we are receiving the results in a series. Okay, so this is the async series. Okay, so if you want to execute the number of tasks in a series one after the another, like one response is depend on another response, then you have to execute the asynchronous function in the series with the help of the async.series, right? Next we have the async.parallel. Function executes list of asynchronous functions in parallel. If you want to run in a parallel, then you can use the async.parallel. How? Let's have a look of that one. Okay, so let's copy this and add it over here. So let me just remove this one. Let's save this and run. So here you can see it's running parallelly, right? So those functions takes too much time. It doesn't execute and move to the next one. So let's see how it works. So here you can see that here you can see the callback parallel set timeout console.log task one callback. Here you can see how much time it will take. 1 second. So it's taking time. So it will not execute this one. Then it will execute this one. So run in the parallel, right? So it will execute the result 2 first, then result 1. Here we can see that. Task 2, task 1, then result 1, and then result 2. Okay. So here you can see that. So it runs in a parallel, you can see, but the results you can see the here you can see that the last moment how the results come in, the result 1 and the result 2. Okay, the parallel, but it will here you can see, well, while I trying to execute in a parallel, it take time. Why? The set timeout is 1 second, and here it will say milliseconds, right? So it will take time. So it executes, then it will go over here task one. But after completing in the parallel, it will return the results with result one and the result two. Okay, so asynchronous, whatever the result you want, it will get over here. right? So here you can see that the result is result 1 and the result 2, irrespective it will take it the timeout is 1 second, the result is whatever we desired. Okay, so like asynchronous always what is that, it take time, it reject that one and accepts another one. Okay, so here you can see what is the use of that one. So it runs in a parallel, you will get the result in parallel. Okay, whether it executes lately or something, but you get the result in a parallel way. Okay, next we have a async.waterfall function executes a series of asynchronous. Waterfall means like a waterfall executes a series of asynchronous function in a waterfall manner, where the output of each function serves as input to the next. Means if you are doing the input of the first one to the next one, then you will go to the waterfall function, right? Async waterfall. How? I will show you. So let's copy this one. Let's use this one over here. It's in parallel. Then we're going to use this one, waterfall. So here you can see set timeout function callback, then result null, result one. The result, whatever the result we have we required, then call back task with result 2 and the result 1. So we're logging that one. Okay, let's have a look how the waterfall model will work. So let's see. So here you can see task 1, task 2. So in the task 1 we are sending the callback of the callback, that is result 1, and the final result will be the result 2. Let me explain you. Okay, so here we go with this one. So here async.waterfall function accepts the callback. Okay, set timeout with 1 second. Okay, so this is task 1. Okay, the callback is result 1. We are sending null and the result 1. Okay, so we are accepting the whatever the result we have, we are sending over here. Okay, so it depends on the function call. After whatever we get the result, we have to pass it over here. Okay, then we are printing console.log and then timeout with callback result 2. Okay, and at the last what we are returning that one, the final result. Okay, so it where you require this one, when your function executes a series of asynchronous functions in a waterfall manner, when the output of each function serves as an input to the next function. Okay, so it depends on the input of the first one. Okay, and to the next function. So in that case you have to use the async.waterfall. Okay, then we have a async dot each function applies an iterator function to each item in an array in a parallel. Okay, so async dot each function applies an iterator function, okay, to each item in an array in a parallel. So let's go and check this one, what exactly it does. So here we have the array 1 2 3. So we are using a async dot h the array. So here we are iterating that one. So 1 2 3 iteration. So here we are processing the item and using the callback we are returning. So here all the items processing successfully, and here you can see. So it will print that one. Okay. So let's run this one. So here you can see process item 1, process item 2, or everything is processing, then we are returning that all items processed successfully. Okay, so if you want to iterate a function to each item in an array in a parallel you want to run, then you can use async.each. So here you can see that the uses of the async into your code. If you want to run like parallelly, if you want to run in a series, if you want to run in a there is a waterfall, then you can use these methods of the async and make your productivity double. Okay, rather than you are thinking like this code is not running, how this is not working, that I think then async will come into the role. Okay, so any doubt, any query in that, to let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.